Welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope you are all fine and enjoying life well. Today we are exploring fresh and fun crochet ideas that are perfect for all skill levels, from stylish accessories to cozy home decor. These ideas will inspire you for your next project, and I hope these are very great for you. First up, let's talk about crochet jewelry. Crochet earrings, bracelets, and necklaces are unique and lightweight. Try using fine yarn or thread to create delicate designs like floral motifs or bohemian-inspired pieces. Add beads or charms to give your jewelry a personal touch. These pieces are quick to make and make great gifts too. Bring crochet into your home decor with crochet wall art and tapestries. Use vibrant color to crochet geometric pattern or create abstract design. You can even combine macrame element with crochet for a mixed texture look. Hang your artwork on a wooden doll for a modesty artistic vibe. Upgrade your living room with handmade crochet pillow covers. Use chunky yarn for cozy textures or try a lacy pattern for a more elegant look. Choose color that match your decor, and you can mix and match different stitch pattern for a custom set. These pillows make any space feel warm and inviting. Crochet market bags are eco-friendly and practical. Create a lightweighting tote for groceries, beach trips, or everyday errands. Using durable cotton yarn, make these bags strong enough to carry heavy items, and they are reusable and stylish. Try a mesh pattern to keep the bag stretchy and breathable. Add a personal touch to your tech accessories with crochet phones or tablet cases. Customize the size to fit your device and choose your favorite color or pattern. You can add button zippers or pocket for extra.